Hi friends, thank you for joining me. We are back with the Irish Crochet Motif book. We're making pattern number 42 today. It is a really beautiful 3-petal flower. The piece ends up looking something like this. It is kind of quite a large piece. I think that this would be really nice used in decoration. We join padding cord after we have completed the base of the piece. As always, I'm using a bright orange padding cord so you can see what I'm doing. Ideally, your padding cord and your overlay yarn will be the same colour. We're using a 3mm crochet hook for the pattern. I have a request. The request is, if you do find the video helpful, please drop a like, please comment, please subscribe. It just helps other viewers find my videos. Let's get into it. We're going to start off by securing our yarn. I just twist it like this. We're going to chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch or single crochet in the first chain, and now we need to do 12 single crochets in the center. However, between every 4th and 5th stitch we're going to add a picot stitch. So first single crochet, and then we are going to chain 3, slip stitch like that. Now we're going to do 4 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, chain 3, slip stitch like that. So we've got 2 picots so far, and we need to do another one right there. Single crochet 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 3, picot stitch, single crochet 3 to finish off with, because remember we already done 1 single crochet to start with, and slip stitch. And that's the center of our piece ready. Now we need to grab our padding cord. We're going to attach it, and I just tend to slip it through and go ahead and chain 1. We need to do 10 single crochet around the padding cord. Chain 3, slip stitch, picot stitch like that, and we're going to do 10 single crochet back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're gonna skip 4 single crochets in the base. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and slip stitch into the base. So we've got our first petal there. We are indeed going to repeat the same pattern 3 times. So we need 1 and 2. I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera because it's a repetition of what I've shown already. And then we're going to come back and work out the stem and the 2 leaves. So your piece should be looking something like this so far. Now we're going to work on the stem. What I want to mention is the stem goes down like this. The expectation is to work the stem first, stop, and then start the 2 petals. However, I'm only making this piece for demo purposes and I hate wasting yarn, so I'm going to make this in one go. So we are doing 9 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pull that just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead, grab my padding cord and start on the first leaf. So I am doing 9 single crochet first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Chain 3, 9 single crochet back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First leaf complete. I am going to pull the padding cord and just secure that leaf. The second leaf, after I have slip stitched into the base like this, and I'm repeating this exact same pattern for the second leaf. So my work's looking something like this so far with the addition of the 2 leaves. Now I'm going to finish the stem by placing 20 single crochets on the padding cord. 1, 2, 3, 15, and 20. Pull the work around the padding cord a little bit just to make it a little bit looser. This is what the final pattern looks like, and this is motif number 42. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I will see you back when we're making motif number 43. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.